Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of knowledge sharing. For today, we are looking at this question and it says 16 to the power of 5 minus 16 to the power of 4. We are going to evaluate this without using calculator. So we have here solution. We are given 16 to the power of 5 minus 16 to the power of 4 equals to what? If we punch our calculator, you can see that this will be solved in a very short while. But here we are asked to solve it without using calculator. So we are going to evaluate this. 16 is same thing as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That means it's equals to 2 to the power of 4. So we are going to substitute 2 to the power of 4 in the place of 16. So we have here 2 to the power of 4 all to the power of 5 minus, in the place of there we have 2 to the power of 4 all to the power of 4 equals to, then here we recall a law that says when we have a to the power of m all to the power of n is same thing as a to the power of m times n. We can multiply the powers. So here this will give us 2 to the power of 4 times 5 minus 2 to the power of 4 times 4. What will this become? 4 times 5 equals to 20. So this will become 2 to the power of 20 minus this one will become 2 to the power of 4 times 4 becomes 16. So here we can see that we have 2 to the power of 20 here and 2 to the power of 16 here. Here 20 can be written as 16 plus 4. 20 here can be written as 16 plus 4. So we are going to substitute 16 plus 4 in the place of 20. So this will give us 2 to the power of 16 plus 4, then minus 2 to the power of 16. Here we recall another law that says when we have a to the power of x plus c is same thing as a to the power of x times a to the power of c. So expressing this in this format, this will give us 2 to the power of 16 times 2 to the power of 4 minus 2 to the power of 16. You can see that we have 2 to the power of 16 here and 2 to the power of 16 here. They're identical. We can factor it out. So that will become, to come here, we have 2 to the power of 16 times 2 to the power of 4 minus 2 to the power of 16. So as we said, we need to factor this out. So we take 2 to the power of 16. So we have a 2 to the power of 16. When we divide this by 2 to the power of 16, it will give us 2 to the power of 4. Dividing here by 2 to the power of 16, this will give us minus 1. So here, we recall before we said 2 to the power of 4 gives us 16. So we are going to substitute 16 in the place of 2 to the power of 4. So this will give us 2 to the power of 16 into 16 minus 1. So here will give us 2 to the power of 16 times 16 minus 1 gives us 15. So 16 here can be written as 10 plus 6. So we have here 16 equals to 10 plus 6. So we are going to substitute 10 plus 6 in the place of 16. So this will become 2 to the power of 10 plus 6. Then we have here we multiply by 15. So we said before, here we can express that in this format. So this will give us 2 to the power of 10 times 2 to the power of 6. We have here we multiply by 16. So here, this 15 can be written as 10 plus 5. But before we do that, 2 to the power of 6 is 64. So here will become, and 2 to the power of 10 is 1024. So this will become 1024 times 2 to the power of 6 is 64. Then we have times 15. So as we said before, 15 can be written as 10 plus 5. So this will become 1024 times 64 into 10 plus 5. So we can multiply out this parenthesis. So this will become 1024 times 64 times 10 will give us 640. Then 64 times 5 will give us 320. So we can add this up. So this will become 640 plus 320 will give us, this is 640 plus 320. This will give us 960. So here we come over to this other end. So here, as we said, we have 1024 times 640 plus 320. This will give us 1024 times the whole of here. As we said, it gives us 960. So we have 960. So 960 can be written as 1000 minus 40. So here we have 1024 then into 1000 minus 40. So we can multiply out this parenthesis. This will give us 1024. Multiplying by this, we add the 30. Then multiplying this by here, we are going to have minus, this will give us 40960. So when we subtract 40,960 from this is going to give us simple arithmetic. We have 1024. Then we add 30. Then we bring down 06904. Then here, taking this becomes 0. Add 1 here. This becomes 4. Then this one remain. Taking 1 from here will become 9. So we have here 0. So here will remain 3. Then when we take this goes here. We have 8. And here remain 9. So our answer to this question will become 983,040. So when we punch our calculator for us to verify that 16 to the power of 5 minus 16 to the power of 4 will give us this. And you can do that, you can see that we have a perfect answer to this question. If you like what we're doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share a video with more interesting topic. Thank you.